Do you want to know how you can log in to your Chase Bank mortgage account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Chase Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Chase mortgage account. Click on the first link which appears and it will take you to this page. You can click sign in and you will be headed to the official login portal of Chase. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Chase Bank account. You can also use token after you click on this box over here. And if you click remember me, you will not have to sign in next time. You'll be automatically signed in after you click on chase.com. After you have written down your username and password, click sign in and then you can successfully sign in to your Chase account. If you have forgotten your username or password, this is the link you want to go through, and if you have not enrolled yet and want to sign up, click this link and you can create a Chase Bank account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your Chase Bank mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.